Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a kind and wise king named Kingo. Kingo was no ordinary king. He was an eternal king, who could live forever. Kingo ruled his kingdom with love and kindness, making sure every creature in his land was happy and well cared for. His subjects loved him dearly and were always eager to help him with his work. One day, Kingo noticed that the nearby forest was slowly losing its luster. The trees were losing their leaves, and the animals were struggling to find food. Kingo knew he had to do something. He gathered his subjects and asked for their help. Together, they worked tirelessly, planting new trees, helping the animals find food, and making sure the river flowed freely. Days turned into weeks, and the forest started to regain its beauty. One night, as Kingo sat by the river, he saw a young deer, who had been injured and unable to run. Kingo healed the deer, and the grateful creature became his loyal friend. Years passed, and the forest flourished. Kingo grew older, but he never lost his youthful spirit. The Eternal King continued to rule with love and wisdom, ensuring the happiness of his kingdom. One day, an evil sorcerer came to challenge Kingo. He cast a spell to make the Eternal King age and weaken. But Kingo, with the help of his loyal dear friend, outsmarted the sorcerer. The sorcerer was banished, and Kingo's kingdom was safe once more. The Eternal King continued to rule, his spirit unbroken, his love for his kingdom unchanged. And so, the tale of Kingo, the Eternal King, continues to inspire all who hear it. A tale of love, wisdom, and the power of friendship. A tale that reminds us that with love and kindness, we too can make a difference. Good night, my dear children, may you dream of Kingo's kingdom tonight.